Good afternoon, everyone. As we wrap up the first week of the 8-week session, it means that we have covered 1/8 of the class, or the equivalent of 2 weeks worth of work. Please check the schedule found in the syllabus regularly to know when assignments are due. I also post them on the Blackboard calendar. Uh, a few reminders are in order. Number one, the cultural geography news discussion number one is due Friday night, April 5th by 11:59. That's tomorrow. The cultural geography special topic number one on migration is due Saturday, April 6th by 11:59 p.m. Make sure and you're clear that these are two very different discussions. Please make sure and read the details of each of the assignments as they are posted on Blackboard. Also, make sure and read the assigned chapters in your textbook, as well as make sure and review the PowerPoint lectures. I've included an instructional video for each of the lectures. The videos are from the 11th edition of the textbook, but they still work. While most of you have introduced yourselves in the icebreaker, 9 of you still have not. You were supposed to have introduced yourselves by Wednesday night. If you're one of these 9 to 10 students, please submit your introductions as soon as possible. On the same subject, the 3 students have not yet logged into the course. In an online course, that means you did not show up for class on the first day of classes, which by school policy is grounds for the instructors to drop you from the course. If those 3 students, you know who you are, have not logged into the course by tomorrow night, they will be dropped from the course probably Saturday morning. I may send an email reminding those students, but you have warned via this announcement. On Sunday, I will be sending an announcement telling you what is happening on week 2. Have a nice weekend. Best, Samuel Cortez.